Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Ireland is now paying you $90,000 to live on its remote islands. This is not clickbait, it's an actual program called the Our Living Islands Initiative, which is open to non EU citizens as well. Imagine waking up to the waves crashing on the cliffs, sheep grazing outside your window, and an ocean view that people pay thousands to vacation in. Now imagine getting paid nearly $90,000 to live there. This isn't a fantasy, it's a real offer from Ireland to revive its communities that have tiny or declining populations, just like the €1 home program that Italy offers. The Our Living Islands initiative is a program where the government is offering large grants as high as $90,000 to people who want to rebuild abandoned homes on its remote islands. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know, including what the 90,000 grant really covers, who can apply for it, the step-by-step application process, where you can build your homes, the hidden costs involved, benefits for families, and yes, the catch you need to know before making the move, so stick around till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let's start with what this grant actually is. First, let's understand the basics. Ireland has dozens of remote islands, beautiful, scenic, peaceful, but many have tiny or declining populations. Some have fewer than 5 residents. These islands have abandoned homes, old buildings, and properties that are not livable in their current condition. To revive these communities, the government has introduced a program offering grants of up to roughly $90,000 to anyone willing to restore these old, uninhabitable homes into functioning homes. What's important to remember is that this grant is specifically for renovation, not buying land. You must convert a derelict or vacant building into a livable home, and you can even start earning rental income on it, like through Airbnb, etc. The location has to be one of the designated Irish islands. This is not a move here and get free money scheme, it's a revitalization project. Now, what are the benefits of moving to an Irish island? The first thing is affordable home ownership. Even with renovation costs, it's far cheaper than buying in mainland Ireland. You'll get peaceful, safe lives for your families. There's a low crime rate, tight communities, and breathtaking nature. You'll also get clean air, open spaces, and no traffic, which is great for mental and physical health. There's also strong community connections as islanders support each other, celebrate together, and live more closely than city populations. It's a great environment for kids as well, as kids grow up in nature, attend nearby schools, and have a healthier upbringing. It's also remote work friendly. Many islands have upgraded internet, perfect for remote workers or freelancers. It's a pathway to long-term settlement as well. Once you're a legal resident, living on the island counts towards years needed for permanent residency. There's also tourism opportunities. You can convert part of your home or your entire home into a guest house, Airbnb, or tour business. Now, why is Ireland doing this? Why would a country pay people to move to its remote islands? There are 3 major reasons. The first thing being its rural population decline. Many islands once had thriving communities, but people have moved to cities over time. Schools have closed, services reduced, and communities have shrunk. Also, for preserving culture and heritage, the islands are home to Irish traditions, language, and history. Bringing in new families helps maintain this heritage. There's also economic revitalization needed. More residents means more local business, more tourism, and more community activity. So yes, the government genuinely wants people to come, settle, rebuild, and bring life back to these islands. Now, who can apply for this initiative? This is where there's great news for you. This isn't limited only to Irish citizens. Here's who's actually eligible. First, of course, Irish citizens. Next, EU and EEA citizens. And thirdly, non-EU citizens as well. This is a part many viewers will love. Non-EU nationals can apply as long as they have the right to legally reside in Ireland, for example through a work visa, study visa, family visa, or a resident permit. Next, individuals or families can apply. Anyone actually, single applicants, couples, or even families with children. Also, you must be willing to renovate a derelict or vacant property. You can't apply to build a new house from scratch. You have to rebuild a broken down house. Your property must also be on a government-approved island. The examples of these islands include Sherkin Island, Clare Island, Achill Island, Bear Island, Arran Moor, and others. each island has a list of eligible properties as well. Now, what does the 90,000 grant actually cover? This is where you need to pay attention. The grant covers everything necessary to renovate your home, like structural repairs, roofing, plumbing and rewiring, contractor fees, insulation and windows, some materials, safety improvements, and anything that makes the house officially habitable. However, the grant is reimbursement based, meaning you have to first pay for the renovation out of pocket or take a loan for it, then you'll complete the renovation, and after that the government pays you back up to the limit. This is why financial planning is extremely important, because you have to be very careful not to overspend during renovation. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you how much you will actually spend. Here's a realistic cost breakdown. The cost to buy an abandoned island home, some sell for around 20,000 to 60,000 euros, some actually nearly free but require legal processing fees, and then there are the best ones already government listed and available directly. The cost to renovate, depending on damage, with low renovation costs coming to 60,000 euros, medium costs coming to 100,000 euros, and if there's too much damage, more than 150,000 euros. Since the grant offers up to 90,000 euros, your out-of-pocket cost might be between 20,000 to 80,000 euros after compensation, but do remember that you can still get the home nearly free with just some legal processing done, and then renovate a simple design for 60,000 euros, and you might even end up saving money. Other costs which you have to consider are architect fees, legal fees, island transportation costs, tools and materials shipping, and of course new furniture and appliances. So yes, you might end up spending some money. This isn't free housing, but compared to buying a house normally in Ireland, which is on average more than 300,000 euros, this is still a massive discount. Now coming to the step-by-step application process. The first step is to choose an eligible island. You can check government lists of participating islands. Next, find an eligible derelict or vacant home. You must choose a qualifying structure set by the government. Next, get a structural survey done. This determines your renovation costs and how much you might end up spending. After that, you have to apply for the grant by submitting your documents, renovation plan, timelines, and proof of property rights as well. Next, you'll get your approval. You may receive conditional approval at this stage, after which you can start your renovation process. Remember to track all your expenses carefully. You'll need receipts for everything. Next, after your property is ready, you have to submit your completion documents. Then government inspectors will come to confirm habitability. Lastly, after this has been confirmed, you will receive your grant reimbursement. Now what's the catch? There are actually several catches and you must understand them all. The first catch is that you must pay out of pocket first. The grant reimburses after your work is done. Next come renovation deadlines. You must finish within a set time frame, which is usually 2 to 3 years. Next, you must use the home, not flip it. You can't renovate and sell immediately, but you can start a rental business and start earning right away. Also, immigration is not automatic. The grant does not give visas or residency by itself. Non-EU applicants must get a visa separately. Island living is also not for everyone. There's limited shops, limited hospitals, weather can be slightly harsh, and transportation depends on ferries. Also, the property availability is limited. There are only so many abandoned homes. Still, for the right person, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So is Island's Island Grant a dream or a trap? It depends on you. If you're someone who craves peace, nature, slower living, and a chance to build a beautiful home at a fraction of the usual cost, this could be the opportunity of a lifetime. But if you want city life, fast access to services, or zero renovation stress, this may not be the right choice for you. One thing is certain, offers like this don't come often. If you want more videos about immigration opportunities, country comparisons, and global relocation programs, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.